I'm Lucie McLeod, I'm 24 and I am the founder of Haircare. A lot of people think that when you're starting a business you have to have loads of money, you have to have a nice flashy office, you have to be based in London or a big city, and that's definitely not true at all. I literally started my business out of a tiny conservatory in my mum and dad's house. I gained so many skills through school which have become invaluable in running my business. A load of creative writing skills which have come in really handy with doing things like product design, product labels and also copyright on my website. In rural communities across Wales like Pembrokeshire where I grew up, there can often be a hard time for young people to find different creative opportunities. It's nice to know that if you do want to do something different, starting your own business and building something for yourself is always a great option. You don't need a degree to start a business. If you want to go down different routes or maybe apprenticeships, going straight into the workplace, then you can definitely do that. Find something that you're really interested in, like a nice niche. For me, that was definitely marketing and sales. And if you have any sort of an idea that you think could take off, go for it and see where it takes you. You can get in touch with Working Wales for a ton of support and advice. Big Ideas Wales can offer tailored support and access to the Young Person's Startup Grant. I would highly recommend that you take advantage of all of these offerings. If I could have my time again, I would jump at the chance.